Hey guys, you don't want your EV charger laying around. So I got this Spigen, alright, chassis holder, organizer. I'll put a link on the description down below where I get this at. Also, the tools you're gonna need are wireless drill, pencil, drywall anchor, level, and your drill bits. Super easy to install. So first thing, so it came with this chassis holder and some drywall anchor and some screws. That's that. So the back plate, make sure it slide in. It's supposed to slide in that way, and then later on we're gonna put it in a back wall. So first thing I did, I put together everything and then I lined them up and then I marked it. And the next thing I did is I marked the hole. And then I drilled those two holes with drill bit, and then after that I screwed in the drywall anchor, and then I put in the chassis holder. Screw them in, make sure it's all leveled out. Screw them in, that's the top part of it. And the next thing I'm gonna do is the bottom part. Right, super easy. So once it's secured, we're gonna put the whole enchilada in, slide it in, and then slide it in, and then plug it in to the wall. And after that, we're gonna install a little bit higher the organizer where we wrap around the cable. I mark it right there, and then after that, I got the back plate. I'm gonna mark those two holes in. So what I like to do is make sure they level out. So I got this level. Okay, I level them out, and then after that, I'll mark them holes. Alright, so I drill it and then put the drywall, anchor drywall, and then I put the two screws in, and then I slide in the organizer, the cable holder. So I'll wrap them all around, nice and tight, round up. Super easy to install this Spigen chassis holder with organizer. Guys, I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this at. So plug it in just like that, just like in a supercharger. Right? Nice and tight. Link on the description down below. Thank you.